My beautiful friends, you know how we do it. Let's go again. First, let's start with this one right here. Click on the claim button to claim today's prize, and we have that done. Let's go to the next, and the next is going to be this one right here. Okay, so let's click on that, and today, follow me closely because this thing can be confusing. They somehow look alike. Okay, so we're going to start with this one here. Drag it into the first box. So this one, drag it into the first box. Okay, so the next is going to be this one right here. Drag it into the second box. So drag this into the second box. The third is going to be this one right here. Drag it in here. So let's drag that one in here, and the last one is obviously this one right here. Drag it into the last box. So we'll drag that one into the last box. So it is time to check if we are correct. So click on the check button, and congratulations, we were 100% correct. Claim 5.5 million coins. So I'm going to click on the claim button. Some of you asked me in the comments how to increase daily income. I've made a video about this, but I'm going to quickly point it out here. To increase your daily income, pretty simple. All you have to do is to come to the fight section. What you're going to have to do would be to simply upgrade your bots. Okay, simply click on this upgrade, and over here you can see I can upgrade it by leveling up with this much of the coins I have in my balance. So click on that. I have upgraded it to level 23. Now I want you to see something. Back here, this would reduce because I spent about 2.something million, and now my daily income would increase. Okay, so that's one way you can increase it. You can go to the fight section again and decide to get a new bot. Okay, so to get a new bot, you can see what I'm doing, just sliding on my screen. Over here I can get a new bot. Click on buy new bot, okay, by clicking on that plus icon, and obviously you can see what's going on now. Buy for 10 million coins. So I can click on the buy button, and that is it. I've got my bot, and the bot is this one right here. You can see my balance has now dropped from about 16 million to now 6 million. My daily income has jumped from about 3.5 to 3.8. So this is how you can increase your daily income. I hope this helps. If you want to learn how to fight, of course I've got a video. I'm going to link it in the description. It's going to show you how to fight to win on this platform. Okay, I hope this helps. If you've got further questions, leave them in the comments. I've got a Telegram channel. The link is going to be in the description. You might want to join. Okay, this Pixelverse is your guy Ken, signing off for now.